Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to play around and play with some Rolodex little cards, and I'm going to call this Rolodex Roundup. And it fits because this is round, and we can round up some cards. So this I got at Goodwill, and apparently it doesn't have A. I was just looking at that. We got X, Y, Z here, and then B, and then all the rest of them, so that's okay. So what I want to do before we get into this is I got some fun packaging that we're gonna open and play with it together today and do some fun Rolodex. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this one. I don't know which is in which, but I know I got some fun goodies to play with here. Let's see. Ooh, yes. So I got some Tim Holtz, and I'm definitely keeping these because we'll make a fun project with these. So I got some Tim Holtz tokens, which these are going to be really fun to play with. I'll make sure to link everything below if you guys are interested in any of it. But, oh my goodness, yes. The ideology, 134 pieces as you get with this one. Okay, so we got those, and then let's see what's in here. Oops. I'm gonna be careful with the packaging. I get too excited. Ooh, yes. So I've been excited to do the little paper dolls. I haven't done these at all. So I went Tim Holtz crazy here. And then oh yeah, that's what this is. I'm excited about this. So I sold my feather journal to a really nice lady, and she said to me, and I never thought of it before, but she's like, you should date and sign your journals. And I'm like, I never thought of that, you know. So I got myself a little date stamp. So that's fun. And I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. But it's just, I think this will be fun to put onto my journals and stuff and start dating them. I think that'll be great. All right, so I got some fun words that we can play with. I got some pretty papers just to have. Let's see. We got those. We got our Rolodex. All right. Let's just start there. Do some pretty papers. So I think if I just go like this. Because these would be great pockets and belly bands and, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so I just went ahead and just cut all around it, just like that, and we can go ahead and ink. All right, so got that inked, and let's see what fun things we can do here. I grabbed some just little cute papers I have too, and some vellum, just some stuff to layer up. And just some stickers. So we'll just do a fun little collage and see what we come up with here. We've had really rainy weather this week. We're here in Oregon, and we've just been super rainy. I love to hear where you guys are from and what's your weather doing. That's always fun. I like to hear from you guys. So yeah, comment down below. I'd love to know where you guys are from and how is your weather? Like, Ours is definitely rainy. And then I think next week we're going to get some sun, but who knows? Oh my gosh. I'm just going to dump it all out. Let's just dump them all out. See what we got. So these are fun. I think it's just easier to do this. You can see what we're playing with. I like the bee. It's cute. Okay. Okay. My goodness. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm going to try to find some smaller ones to fit on here. Oh, her little leg is bent backwards. Oh, no. That's so cute. I mean, how cute is that? I just need to make sure I can fit it into my Rolodex. So I'm hoping there's some smaller ones in here. There's definitely some bigger ones. These are all cool. Well, you know, I can always make them into belly bands too. Turn them like this and have it so it's just a little like side tuck or belly band. So maybe we'll do that. Okay, so let's see. Let's turn it like that. Okay. Okay. I also have some fun fabrics we can play with. Because these are always great to have. Some cheesecloth that I coffee dyed. Some laces. This is just when you get your scraps out and see what you got. Play with some fun stuff. Let's cut off a little piece of this. There's just so much stuff to play with. Yeah, let's see. This is just a coffee dyed piece of fabric, muslin. Okay. So we got that piece. This is a piece of just some cotton rope. These are always fun to have around. Okay, there we go. Made a fun little cluster. You can just take your stapler. Okay. And now let's just start tacking it down. What do you guys think? I think that turned out pretty fun. I mean, that's really cool. So there we go. So I'm just going to kind of continue going, and I think I'm just going to make some side tucks for now. But these, they're going to go in my journal, but they could just go right back in. And, you know, just have a bunch of them in there saved up, and you can use them for next time. And just grab them out and have a bunch made. So I'm going to make a couple more, and then we'll talk about it. Done. I had so much fun, and let's see. So we got this one, which turned out really cute, and then this one. So I just did some layering up and just little clusters, and oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. And there's just adorable. And then I did this one where I went ahead and added a bulb pin with some beads on it, and then one of the Tim Holtz tokens. So it says go and see, explore. And the little boy, and I did some stamping. I did a little bit of stamping in the background, and then just some pretty papers behind, and there we go. So I think this all turned out so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.